Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you how to calibrate the TWIN BUSCH truck wheel balancer F-50T. Clamp a wheel composed of steel rim and tire, and with a standard diameter. The wheel must not be balanced. If you are calibrating the machine with a car wheel, change the machine to the car mode with the Z button. Measure the distance between the rim and the machine. Enter the distance as value A. Read the rim's width and diameter directly from the wheel. If it is not printed, you can measure the rim's width with the width gauge. Enter the rim's width and diameter as values B and D respectively. The calibration is then selected by pressing R and start simultaneously. The machine measures the general imbalance first. Hammer on the calibration weight at a preferred position on the outer side of the wheel. The machine now measures the difference to the first pass. The calibration is thus concluded.